Welcome to AI Money Making, a complete tutorial. Learn to harness AI for income, from content creation to automation. Let's dive in. Understand AI basics, from machine learning to its applications. Discover income opportunities and set realistic goals to kickstart your AI journey. Generate blog posts and video scripts with AI. Monetize content through affiliate marketing and various other avenues. Sell AI-generated content for income. Automate tasks to boost productivity. Use AI for freelancing, offering data analysis and chatbot services. Scale your business with AI. Enhance e-commerce with AI for product recommendations. Optimize marketing campaigns and automate customer service with AI chatbots. Learn prompt engineering and data analysis. Explore AI tools and stay updated. Develop a learning plan for continuous AI improvement. Summarize key takeaways and encourage viewers to start. Look at AI trends for money making and start learning today.